Come on, let me know. It's one thing you gotta do. I think it's a couple. No, not even one. It depends on what it is. How to light a fire. Take it out of the bag, of course. And then use that. Blowtorch.
We're gonna light all these at once.
How? How? You're gonna go.
Okay.
Now watch. I'll do.
Dad, what are you doing?
He lit all three of them.
Okay, that's enough. What were those?
Lightning.
One more. Next up.
Where's your eyeballs?
Right here. Next
Here's
up.
an eyeball.
Eyeball. They spin and they pop out.
Where's it? How many of them are left?
One more.
Give me two of them.
Are you light at the same time?
Yeah.
Alright, Ben, watch this. Well, how are you gonna light it? Because you won't be able to spin. They'll just start they'll start bouncing everywhere.
That's fine.
Alright. That's our segment on how to light a firework.